Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video, it's a short demonstration of the iCarsoft NS version 1.0 kit, which is a dedicated diagnostic tool for Nissan, Subaru and Infiniti vehicles. Now we're in a Nissan Qashqai right now, and as you can see, we've got the ESP, we've got the ESP off warning lights, we've got the ABS warning light as well. So we're going to use this to diagnose and reset these faults. Now this tool is available by clicking the link directly below this video. There are fakes, there are clones unfortunately on the market, so if you want to make sure you get your hands on a genuine tool, then please make sure that you do use the link in the description below this video. So we've got the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and I'm going to click on to diagnostics here. We're going to click on to Nissan, go through the options, click on to manual, and then go to ABS system. Okay, it's communicating, and that we can now go to read fault code. Sorry if there's a glare. We've got C1102 and we've got rear left hand sensor 1. So we found a fault with the rear left hand sensor. Now we've put a new sensor in, but obviously we're still getting the warning lights, we're still getting the code on screen here. So what we need to do is as simple as coming to clear fault memory, clicking OK. You probably won't notice the lights go off immediately. We've got a message here to say erase operation done. So we can go in and just read the fault codes again. It's telling us no fault code, so we've cleared the fault, but the warning lights are still on. In order to get rid of the warning lights, you just simply need to come out of it, go back to the start. You do actually need to do a reset of the engine. So we'll just take the key, turn the engine off, turn it back on again, and then you'll see all of the lights should disappear, which they have done. And that's all thanks to the iCarsoft NS version 1.0. As I say, I'll put the link in the description, but make sure you follow that link, because there are fakes, there are clones out there, and the link that we provide will take you to the genuine listing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.